I'm Allison Campbell, the Acting Associate Laboratory Director, and I'm here with Bill Cannon, who is the group leader for the Computational Sciences group. So Bill, tell me a little bit about yourself.
So, my background's in biochemistry and a little bit of math and physics I've picked up on my own, but it's all combined to being computational biology. Mm-hmm. And so I've been here for about 16 years and kind of been a few places before that too.
Were you always a national lab, or did you come from industry or university?
No, I came from Monsanto, and yeah, it was a great experience because they were really into team science, and that's one of the things that attracted me to PNNL too. It was the opportunity to do really big team science.
Okay, so when you go home at night and you talk to your family about why you do what you do, what's that exciting thing that really jazzes them? Why Dad goes to work?
I talk to them about how all these different fields of science come together and help us to really understand what life is, from physics to engineering to math, chemistry. It all gets rolled up into one, and that one is biology.
So what in your group, what kind of people are in your group, and what are they working on, and who are your main, what are sort of your main projects?
We've got a whole diverse group of folks, and they've all got very interdisciplinary training from computer science, math, physics, engineering. All of those folks have also been trained as biologists of one sort or another. So it's great that they can bring in some very broad perspectives to really understand what life is, how to interpret biological phenomena, how to interpret the great data that we get from the lab too.
Cool. What's the main sort of capability that you use? Obviously, you use supercomputers. Do you guys write your own software? Do you use other people's software?
We do a little of both. Where we can, we use other people's software if it's the right tool for the job. If it's not the right tool for the job, we develop our own. One of the couple of areas where we really do need to develop our own is, as you know, at PNNL we're generating a lot of high throughput omics data, and there aren't any tools really out there to do the type of analysis that we need to do. And so we end up developing our own tools there too. But also for modeling and simulation, really being able to use that data, bring that into modeling and simulation, and simulate kind of predictive behavior of those cells is key for us.
So I think you guys just recently won an award for one of these, right?
We did, for a tool called Bioselling, and one of our folks, Senghua Kang, is just a really talented young guy who's developed a way to simulate literally billions of cells in one simulation using high-performance computing.
So you can like watch a biofilm grow or a microbial community grow and form, and then can you perturb it and see what happens?
Absolutely, yeah. Okay. And so we're developing still some of the, make sure our dynamics inside those cells are correct. We're still developing those components, but we've got the simplified models up and running quite well.
Very cool. So you've been here, what, 16 years? What advice would you have to a young staff person who's just starting out?
I would say really be engaged with the big science picture. National labs are all about the big picture, and to really listen as much as you talk, because you're surrounded by a lot of bright people, and a lot of those people have some really good perspectives, and you can learn a lot if you listen as much as you talk.
Yeah, I found that here at this national, I've been here 26 years, and it doesn't matter whose doorstep I show up on, they always take the time. And I think that's one of the nice things about PNNL, is that you can get the help that you need as a young person trying to get started.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.